Sri Lanka Day 2024.
Sri Lanka, known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, has a rich cultural heritage with three main traditional dance forms, Kandyan, Pahatharata and Sabaragamuwa styles. This fusion item creatively blends all three forms, vividly expressing their deep roots in the country's history, religion and folk tradition. Each style narrates unique stories through intricate movements, showcasing the beauty and diversity of Sri Lankan culture, captivating both locals and tourists alike. Interestingly, this item is performed by the senior dancing students from Perth Sinhala School, Australia, and virtually choreographed by Prasad Pulasinghe, lecturer of the University of Visual and Performing Arts Sri Lanka, and coordinated by Dr. Dilhani Kapuarachilage. Hope you all enjoy this beautiful performance.
අගමුණි සඳ සිරිපද නමදින තෙද බල පතුරන දිගුදල යුවලින දිලෝ අගමුණි සඳ සිරිපද නමදින තෙද බල පතුරන දිගුදල යුවලින කුඹුතල කිරුලිස බබලෙන විලසට අවලත පැහැගත දිදුලන මෙසමන් සුරිදුගේ වාහන
Day. Taking a rich cultural heritage to the world. Sri Lanka Day 2024.